Hey, when you wake up this morning to go break the law, I wanted to tell you something. They make you bend over, spread your butt cheeks, and squat. And somebody shine a flashlight up your butt. Inside the county jails, they do it inside the penitentiary. This is one of the most degrading things that could ever happen to a human being. So before you get to the point where you got to squat and cough, it will behoove you to change your lifestyle. Because it don't matter who's there. It don't matter if they white, black, whatever shift. They're going to make you bend over in front of a whole group of people, spread your most intimate parts, and they're going to shine a light up your butt and tell you to cough. All right? If I was you, I would be willing to make them changes before that happen.